Hello, welcome. Let's continue with our past questions. JAMB English 2019, question number 52. For these questions, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. The word is head with the EA in between underlined. The options are said, B, heard, C, heard, D, shirt. So let's get the oral transcriptions of the various words so that we can see the ones that are similar. So the first one we're looking at is head. So let's look at head. So head, what is the oral transcription for head? Very simple. Head. This is head. Very simple. Then said, the oral transcription is simply this, meaning that we're having the air sound. Heard, the oral transcription is heard. Then this other heard, the oral transcription, just the same way. You can pronounce them similarly. Then shirt, the oral transcription is shirt. So it's very simple. It's very easy. This is head is represented by the A sound, the same as it said that is represented by this A sound. So that makes option A the right answer. You can see it. These are the other ones. So that is the answer. Thank you.